Hi guys. Also, I wanted to talk about the war in heaven that has been going for a long time. How to understand how things work. If God didn't give people chances, you know, because God is fair, He knows, when He delays judgment on earth, delaying the first time, the second time, the third time, and He keep delaying it because He knows hell is not a place you want to go, but He want to give people chances to repent. But then for the number I saw the other day, was it 1122? Or 2211? I think 1122. And that number says it's too late. It's too late for these people to repent. Why would that number? Because God speaks to you through numbers. God speaks to you through numbers. He made the whole book about numbers. That way you know what? I'm lucky enough. I know how to decipher numbers when I look at something, and even movies, I know how to break things, I'm lucky enough I have that, your ability to kind of see through the symbolism. They're, they embedded in their movies and whatnot. So when that number came up, and I look up what it meant, and it says it's too late for people to stop their good, wicked deeds. And I mentioned a few days ago, when God sent one angel, He killed 180,000 people in one night. 180,000 people. Do the math. Do the math over 8 billion people. He's not going to kill everybody, but the one who are not worthy. That's not going to take him. They're not going to take him a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? To clean house. Okay? And yet these people are putting these people in harm's way. People are working for them. They do not know what they're doing is going to be judged. These people think there's no judgment. Judgment is a fairy tale. And it's just a man-made up theory, No. Why do you think God made punishment? Why do you think made this planet as a jail system to keep these people here until Judgment Day? Why do you think of that? Okay? Before, beginning of creation, there was no fear in heaven. There's no wars in heaven. And all of that had been brought in by Satan. Satan made wars on God, And so, yeah, God created hell on punishment. And I know people are telling you, like, no, that's not true. This is just a man-made up thing. It's not true. Hey, play your cards right, okay? Okay, I'm going to play along. If it's not true. And you find out, but it's too late it's too late to repent. Because judgment will begin, right? So what are you gonna do then? What are you gonna do? I'm just asking, I'm trying to figure out what are you gonna do? What you going to do? Satan made me do it. These people, ruler of the earth, made you do it. God will ask you. I gave you mind. You're not an animal. Your ability to intellect and to use your mind to to break things and to understand things. And so playing coy, playing like, oh, I have no idea, I've been led astray, I know what I was doing, blah blah blah. How about if it's too late? Yeah. So let's say, for example, If you want to say, oh, maybe if I were to do this and there's no judgment, then I'm okay, right? But if I were to do that and there is judgment, what are you going to do? Just think about that. You know what I'm saying? If there is no judgment, then you got lucky. If there is no judgment, you got lucky. But if there is judgment, what are you going to do? There's no turn back. You can't say, God, oh, forgive me. I didn't know what I was doing. These people are made me believe these people, the 144,000, they've done things. And I had no idea what I was doing. And blah, blah, blah. These people got to be judged regardless. What they're doing in Palestine, killing all these people and doing horrible things to humanity since inception, treating humanity like garbage. You know what I'm saying? There's no way to get around this but to be judged. And just think about that. Food for thought. I just want you to think about that. What are you going to do? Tell me what are you going to do? And yeah, good luck with that.